Bean. This is my bike check. I got the Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips, a free agent brake lever, Odyssey linear slick brake cord, okay, free agent bars, old, made in Indonesia, not true, Sabrosa things, free agent frame I painted, free agent forks I painted, Odyssey Chase Hawk wheel,
tire,
whatever, Evo pedals. My cranks are some type, I don't know what that says. Stock sprocket, it's a medium sprocket. Then my seat post is an Evo one, because Evo's awesome. Then I got a free agent seat, slim. A Tech Pro.
that's the brand of your cranks.
Yeah, Tech Pro cranks. Tech Pro caliper. And then the back wheel is a Sunday Current, purple, of course. Then I got a flip side hub. In the back, it's got both with cassette. And then the front is also a flip side, but it's not too loud, just the way I like it though. My headset is called a headset because why not?
It's stock.
Yeah, sure, it's stock. Then my
Helmet.
yeah, my helmet, and then I got PVC or something.
PC.
PNC or something like that as my chain. Rattles. Then this is how dialed my bike is. It's not dialed at all because I'm like that. I'm gonna be getting some freestyle bars because I want to be a freestyle being with it because they're awesome.